Are you stuck with projects, deadlines, basically too many tasks, but not enough time? Let's create an task scheduling app using Python. And this is simpler to do. This is how we find a product. By the way, have you ever heard of the Eisenhower priority system? It's just a simple method to help us categorize tasks based on priority. Every task has two properties, urgency and importance. Using this, we can divide any task into these four quadrants. This app has only one main window. You can add tasks using the calendar and the input section, and the task will appear in the related quadrant. Simple as that. In the upcoming tutorials, you will see exactly how to create this app step by step. Remember to check the GitHub versions. I'll upload each version of the app in separate folders, one per video. As always, links will be in the description. Okay, see you in the first video of this tutorial where we build the UI layout and some other things as well. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.